Okay, so the listener sources flag this trending app, Gametok. Massive promise, right? Play games, watch stuff, earn money. Sounds almost a little too good to be true sometimes.
Okay, let's unpack this. Is it a real way to earn or just, a slick way to keep you busy?
Looking at it, the sources say the interface is definitely slick. Marketing's heavy on that you play, you watch, you earn idea. And you see those rewards like ticking up inside the app all the time. Gives you that instant hit, that feeling you're achieving something.
Yeah, but here's the thing, the real insight you need to grasp from these sources, it's this distinction between how it looks and how it actually functions. It doesn't seem designed to reliably send money to you. It's more like, well, the business model is about getting ad revenue from your time. That rewards counter, the one you see moving. It's mostly, it seems, a behavioral nudge, a trigger to keep you engaged, keep you watching those ads.
That structure makes sense, that business model. But hang on, if earning is so tough, why isn't the rating like rock bottom, 1 star? We checked the Android store ratings mentioned. It's sitting around, what, 3.7 out of 5?
Yeah.
About 170 reviews, give or take. I mean, that's not terrible, but
Nah.
it's definitely not the sort of, 4.8 you'd expect if it was a reliable way to make money. Is something else going on, keeping people there besides just the cash hope?
Well, that middling rating kind of confirms what the sources are saying about its dual nature. It's probably fun enough as just a game. But the money part, that's where you hit the snags, the friction. Review sites seem to agree it's not labeled an outright, scam. But the big problem is what they call weak transparency around the payouts, how you actually get money out.
Weak transparency. What does that actually look like for a user?
Right. So what happens in practice is really important for you to understand. These apps often use what we might call a digital friction model. So you might rack up, say, 10,000 in-app coins pretty fast, right? Feels good. But then the conversion rate to actual cash is deliberately, well, vague or just terrible. Maybe it's like 0.001 lots per coin, something tiny. And they often set the minimum withdrawal amount. So it's $10 so high. You'd practically need to play for, I don't know, hundreds, maybe 1,000 hours just to reach it. That friction, that difficulty, it ensures most people just give up before cashing out, which of course maximizes the ad money the company keeps.
Okay, right. So pulling this all together then, the summary from our sources seems pretty sharp. If you
Yeah.
download Gametalk just for fun, okay, sure, you might enjoy the actual games. But, and this is the big but, if you're going in expecting like real significant earnings or even just reliable withdrawals, you're probably setting yourself up for disappointment. The whole system seems kind of designed to prevent that easy payout.
That really hits the nail on the head. That's the takeaway. It looks very much like an entertainment app, first and foremost, maybe with some potential extras. But those extras, the earnings, they seem pretty inaccessible for most. So the main value you're getting, it's the distraction, the gameplay itself. It's definitely not a reliable addition to your bank balance. And look, we've probably all downloaded an app like this at some point, right? You watch that little counter tick up, feels great. Then you realize you've sunk 10 hours in for maybe 12 cents. That feeling, when you hit that withdrawal wall, that's exactly what these sources are warning you about with Game Talk.
So what does this actually mean for you listening? I think it comes down to risk assessment, doesn't it? When an app's main selling point, the earning potential, hinges on these hitting conversion rates and this weak transparency about payouts, it fundamentally changes how you should think about the risk, the value of your time invested. Maybe something to think about further is this. How do you really assess the true value of an app's rewards before you pour your most valuable resource, your time, into it? How do you spot this pattern earlier?